Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we have another ramen recipe. So make sure you guys subscribe, and the recipe will be in the link below. So we're going to start with some sausage, and I'm just going to sear it in a pan. And then after I do that, I'm just going to chop it up a little bit and add some onions to that. I'm also going to add a jalapeno to that as well. And we're just going to saute that together. You want to get some color on your sausage, and also just a little color on your onions as well. Afterwards, we're going to use this ramen here. This ramen has 2 packs, and it has a flavor pack, and it has the little flakies in it. This is kind of spicy as well, but we're just going to add it to the pan. And then we're going to add the flavor packet. And next I added the little flakies. It looks like there's some mushroom, carrots, some scallions in there. So they plump up when you cook them. I'm just going to add some water to this. I really don't like to have a lot of liquid in my ramen, so I don't add too much water, just enough to cook it. And I want the liquid to cook out, but if you don't, then you need to add more water. But for this recipe, you should leave it with little to no liquid in there. So I'm just going to let it cook. And after that, I added some American cheese, as you can see, and I just cracked the egg. And you can cover it and let that egg cook. Once you're ready to eat it, that egg is going to stick to those noodles and really make it saucy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so simple. Leave me some comments down below, and don't forget to check the description box below, because I will have the recipe there and all my other links. And I will see you guys in the next video.